Hey guys, this is how to fix UKG Workforce Central app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just make sure to open up the Google Play Store and go for the search and just simply search for UKG Workforce application. And after that, guys, just simply make sure you are running the latest version, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, if you still have issue for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find the UKG application over here. So it will be here and tap on it. And after that, tap on storage and tap on a clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, another solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, guys, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again. And you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you have still issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!